Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to copy and paste on Chromebook even without a mouse. For example, if I should go into files right here on my Chromebook, to copy and paste, you'll simply need to right click. But if you don't have a mouse, what I will recommend you do is use two fingers and press down on the touchpad. Then you'll see the right click options, and from here you can tap on copy. And let's say I want to paste this in downloads. I'll simply tap on downloads right here, then two fingers again on the touchpad, and now I'll be able to paste it. And if you want to copy and paste more than one item, as you can see right here, at the moment I can't do that. But to enable it, you'll need to go down to the bottom right hand corner and tap on the time. Then you're going to tap on the settings cog right here. Next, you're going to tap on device. Then you're going to tap on touchpad, and you want to enable tap dragging. By enabling this, you'll be able to copy and paste more than one items at once. After you have enabled tap dragging, you'll close out of settings. And for example, I go back into files right here, and here are the videos. And let's say I want to copy and paste more than one. I'll simply drag along the line. Let me show you. As you can see here. Then I'll use two fingers again and press down on the touchpad. And you'll see the option copy, and you'll tap on it. Then you can go, for example, into downloads, and you can paste them right here. And that's it, as you can see right there. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to copy and paste on Chromebook even without a mouse.